class. Welcome to English Composition 2. I'm your instructor, Kimberly Bosley. This is your course syllabus for the next 5 weeks. This is your guide through the course. It tells you exactly what we're going to be learning. This course builds on English Composition 1. So not only will we be reviewing the writing process, but we will go over research techniques, citation techniques, how to avoid plagiarism, documenting formats, and a critical analysis of written topics. You're going to learn how to create a reflective thesis and how to use concrete and specific descriptive verbs in your writing details. You're also going to learn some pre-writing skills, how to brainstorm and create a format before you actually start writing your paper. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about attendance. To be counted present in class each week, you need to post by Wednesday in your discussion or your assignment by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. The earlier you get in there, the earlier you'll be counted present. It's very important that you're present in class every week. It's good to come in and check your assignments, your discussion responses to make sure that you're on top of everything and you're staying on time with your submissions. So the first week, we're going to go over evaluating writing. This is kind of reviewing, like I said, what you learned in English Composition 1. You're going to learn how to evaluate writing, and you're going to go over summarizing and paraphrasing. So in other words, reading an article and then putting it in your own words. Being sure not to plagiarize, not to copy directly from the article that you're reading. You have, I think, 2 assignments this week, assignment 1 and assignment 1.1 and assignment 1.2, and of course your discussion board. Your textbook is Ideas and Aims for College Writing, and in week 1 you'll review chapters 1, 2, and 13, and that'll help you get an idea of how to summarize, how to paraphrase, how to evaluate writing. And then in week 2, we're going to go over plagiarism and evaluating sources. You're going to look at the videos, that we have several videos in this week that talks about how to evaluate credible sources and what is plagiarism and why is it so important not to plagiarize. So you're going to have 3 assignments in this week, assignment 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3, as well as your discussions. And then in week 3, we're going to go over your pre-writing skills and paragraph writing. I want to remind you that when you write a paragraph consists of 5 to 6 sentences, nothing less, okay? So make sure that you're developing great sentences and in a great paragraph with a topic sentence and a kind of a closing sentence. You have 5 to 6 sentences in your paragraph. And this week you'll have the same. You'll read chapter 4, you'll have your discussion, and then I think you have 3 assignments, assignment 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3. They're pretty short assignments. And then in week 4, we're going to go over thesis writing. And thesis writing is main idea. It's your main idea sentence. That's how you're going to begin your paragraph or begin your paper. We're also going to talk about 5-paragraph reflective essay format. What is the order of an essay, and what is reflective writing? So we're going to go over that, and you'll read chapters 5, 7, and 7 in your textbook, and you'll have your discussion and 3 assignments, assignment 4.1, assignment 4.2, and assignment 4.3. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm always available to answer any questions. In week 4, you'll also complete an end-of-term survey. This is where you give your feedback about the course and about the instructor, the content in the course, so that we can improve for students. So please be sure to complete your end-of-term survey in week 4. And then in our final week, we're actually going to pull it all together and write an essay, a reflective paper. And so that will be your final paper. That'll be your only assignment other than your discussion. You're going to read chapters 4, 14, and 15 in your textbook, which will give you more ideas about how to write a reflective essay. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me. I'm here and I'm available for you. And that's it. We're going to have a great term. I'm looking forward to reading papers and talking to you online and in the discussion board. Have a great first week.